a cinematic sneaker ad, a luxury travel film in Santorini, a full athlete commercial. Same character in every one, and I made all three from one setup. No film crew, no 5 different tools. Let me show you exactly how. If you're building anything online, a brand, a store, or your own name, you know this nightmare. Everyone says, just use AI, but the moment you try it, it falls apart. You make an image in one tool, video in another, music in a third, then burn hours stitching it together, and the face changes in every shot, nothing matches. The real problem was never your ideas, it's the workflow. Slow, repetitive, built from scratch every single time. That's exactly why I started testing Ribbi, an AI creative tool built for DTC brand operators like you, whether you're running a brand, a store, or your own name. One tool where you build your workflow once, save it as a skill, and reuse it forever. Let me show you what it did. This is the Ribbi dashboard, and it's built around 3 simple parts. Skills. These are reusable workflows, ready-made ones that you can reuse. Generate. This is where you actually create. You just type what you want and it builds it. And Pond. This is Ribbi's memory. It stores your style and references, so everything stays consistent. That's the whole thing. So let's go into Generate and build our first ad. I type what I want, a cinematic sneaker ad. In plain English, no prompt engineering, and there it is, clean. But here's the part that changes everything. Instead of keeping just that one ad, I save how it was made, as a skill. Think of it like teaching Ribbi my style one time. Now it's saved on my skills page, and I never rebuild that look again. And here's the best part. I can share this skill. One click, and anyone can use my exact setup. In fact, the skill I built in this video, the link's right in the description. Grab it, it's free. Build your own while you watch. Now I just call that skill and ask for a whole campaign in one command. Watch. She walks a neon street. Laces up on a rooftop. Runs through the rain. And a clean product shot. One command, 4 scenes, same character, same style, all consistent. And here's what got me. It figured out on its own that a real face needs a different engine than a product shot, so it switched tools automatically to keep her identity locked. I didn't touch a thing. Then I pushed it further. I wanted a real story. Her in a race between 2 athletes fighting to win. And I didn't set anything up again. I just reused the same skill, gave it one prompt, and look at this. She races, she wins, and she actually speaks. The lip sync is spot on.
Winners aren't born, they're built.
Same face, real emotion, a full mini story. From one prompt on a skill I already built. That's not one ad anymore, that's a campaign. Now that's my own skill, but here's where it really opens up. Because Ribbi doesn't only let you build your own, it's packed with ready-made skills for basically everything you'd want to post. Look at this. You've got UGC-style ads, recreate any short video, carousels, trending formats, all ready for Instagram, TikTok, Reels, wherever you post. You don't start from a blank page, yum. You pick the format you need and go. So I thought, let me actually test one. I took their athlete brand commercial, dropped in my character and my style, answered a couple of quick questions, and got this. A full brand commercial, 0 setup. So whether you build your own skill or grab one of theirs, you're covered either way. But I still had one question, the real test. Everything so far was sneakers, gritty, high-energy product ads. Could Ribbi also handle something totally opposite? So I flipped it. Soft, elegant, aspirational. Luxury travel. I gave it one prompt, my character on a terrace in Santorini. And watch what it did. It locked her face exactly and put her in that golden hour scene. Same person, brand new world. Then it said something smart. This is worth saving as a skill. So I saved it. And this is where it got wild. I asked for a whole mini travel campaign, and it planned the entire thing itself. Rooftop, cobblestone street, infinity pool at sunset, a seaside cafe, 5 scenes, and her face stayed locked in every single one. But it didn't stop at photos. It animated all 5 into video. Then it generated its own music to match. And then it stitched everything into one finished 25-second travel reel, motion, music, all of it, ready to post. I gave it one idea. It gave me a finished campaign. That's the moment I stopped thinking of this as an AI tool and started thinking of it as a whole content team. And this is just the surface. Ribbi doesn't stop at making content. It runs the engine behind it. It spots daily trends, turns long videos into shorts, tracks what's actually performing, and can post for you automatically. Making the ad was never the hard part. Keeping the whole thing running was, and this runs it. So, whether you're a marketer trying to ship campaigns faster, a video editor buried in repetitive edits, a brand owner who is the whole team, an e-commerce seller who needs ads that convert, or a creator posting solo, you don't need more tools. You need a workflow you build once and reuse. That's what a skill is. Ribbi 1.0 is free for a limited time right now. So don't just watch this and go back to the grind. Go build your first skill today. Links in the description. Set it up once and let it work for you, because a content machine like this, it's not born, it's built.